Hey everyone, this is showing my this continuation of my idle problems. It's also when the car's under load. Under 1500 RPMs it stutters when I give it any kind of gas. I don't know if you can hear it. Hold on. Still having problems. Misfiring really bad. Still doing it. Now it's not doing it at all. Here, hold on. Sputtering now. Cleared out, no more sputtering. Now it's doing it again. The problem's gotten worse since it happened. Not sputtering at all. I'm in second. Third. Sputtering in fourth. Now I'm in fifth. Sputtering. So yeah, if anyone can help me with that, that'd be really cool. I've checked vacuum lines. I don't know if maybe I just need to do new plugs and wires or something. Because it seems like it's misfiring, but it doesn't make sense why it doesn't happen under high load too, like high RPMs. So, yeah. Thanks everyone.